Happy 2018! Many of you have been asking about how we stay in shape on the road. And let me tell you, it hasn't been easy. When we started out on our adventure, we had a goal of running 1 mile per day on average. However, we were failing pretty miserably, so we converted those miles to kilometers. And guess what? We're still failing. While we haven't been meeting our goal of 1 kilometer per day, we have been going for a few runs. We've also been working out on the beach, which is fun. I've been making Justin do WODs, which means workout of the day. Justin hates that term, but he's doing them with me anyway. In Bangkok, we took a Muay Thai class, and that was a lot of fun. Today, we are hiking the Cupcake Nature Trail. And this is probably one of the more strenuous hikes that Justin and I have been on. It's 8 kilometers round trip and it is super steep. And actually, today was not a day planned for working out. Today was a day planned for working on our video production and our travel vlog. It's been tough to schedule these days out because there's always so much to do. There's always another beach to see, there's always another island to island hop to, and there's always people to meet and talk to. We want to share our adventures with you, so we find it really important that we schedule out these days, except sometimes you have to roll with the punches. This morning at breakfast, we spoke with the owner of the restaurant, and he suggested this hike. Now, we only have a couple more days in Krabi, and so we wanted to fit the hike in. So you know what, we'll just do our work a little bit later when we're tired and after a good workout. The best part about going on a hike is that not only is it a great workout, trust me, it was a super steep hike, I'm sweating, I'm drenched, but you also get incredible views and you get a great dose of nature bathing.
So workouts are super important, and we haven't done a good job so far. But we're gonna do our best to do even better now that it's 2018. Commitment, 2018. Work out more, run more, do better. Hold that thought, I gotta go see my friend real quick. That guy is a real artist. Anyways, moving on from workouts, let me tell you about shoutouts. We are long overdue for some real shoutouts here, and we want to thank some people who've been supporting us. So here goes.
Wait. Let me clarify. All of you watching, yes, you deserve a shout out. Thank you for supporting our adventures. Justin's about to shout out some very specific supporters for donating to his coffee fund. And by coffee, we mean beer. If you missed his hilarious blog post about not drinking for a month, yeah, right. You can find the link in the description below. Cheers!
Thank you, William, from Ao Nang Beach here in Krabi, Thailand. Thank you for your support. Seth G from Koh Phi Phi Island in Thailand. Thank you for your support. You're the man. Cheers to my mother-in-law, Mom Kwan. Thanks for helping us stay hydrated. To you, Prophet. Thanks for being the man and thanks for your support. This one's for Jenny. Thank you for your support, Jenny. From Railay Beach in Thailand, we appreciate your support. Thinking of you today, thank you.
Cheers, Sammy. Thanks for making sure Adventure Viv doesn't drink alone.
To you, Silver, thank you for your support. You're the man, we appreciate it. This goes out to my main man, Joe. Thank you for always supporting my video production endeavors. Cheers to you, Joe. To you, Daphne, this adult beverage is for you. Thanks for your support. Cheers to you, Aaron. We can't thank you enough for your support. Much appreciated.
Hey friends, in response to your questions about some of the best items to pack, here's one of them. I'm laying on it. It's Matador Travel Blanket, and this product is awesome. No, Matador's not paying me to say this. I just really love this blanket. It folds up so small, fits in the palm of my hand, and it comes in handy so often. It's perfect for laying on the beach. It's perfect for using as a layer when you're cold. You can use it as a blanket. It's also great for shielding yourself from the rain, and also as a layer to lay down whenever you need to sleep on an overnight ferry. We received ours as a gift, and we've also given them as gifts, and they've been very well received. Our Matador blanket has already traveled all over the world with us. If you're interested, click on the link below. They come in multiple sizes, and I can't recommend the Matador blanket enough. So that's all we have for this episode. We're keeping it short this week, but stay tuned because next week we'll show you the beautiful Thai Islands.
Go chicken.
I'm drenched.
We love you like bananas.
Do you hear that? That sound? It's the Thai jungle cicada. Just kidding, I don't actually know what it is, but it's really loud and there's a fly all over me. We love you. You know who you are.